How to change Google Maps language on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Scroll down and go to Language and Region as shown. On this page, you can select your desired iPhone language, set your preferred form of address, and choose a region. Here, select Add Language if you want to add another language. You will now find all the available iPhone languages over here. Select the language you want. For example, Spanish. Then, choose if you want to use it as your primary language. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change Google Maps language on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.